Hello everyone, this is my review of Nature's Garden Trail Mix Snack Pack. It's a pretty big pack that comes. It's like 24 packs that comes in here. I'll take them out so you can see how big each pack is. All right, you can see we have 3 different mixes here. This one is a blend of cranberries, almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, and pitas. And this purple packet is a blend of cranberries, almonds, walnuts, pecans, and pistachios. And this red one has the biggest blend of cranberries, black raisins, golden raisins, peanuts, pecans, pitas, and sunflower seeds. All these blends are delicious and they make a great snack. And I hope that